So, full power. It's off.
Ballarat traffic, Cessna 150 Whiskey. Your back is now 3 miles to the southwest inbound, maintaining a 3,000.
Speed's alive.
Ballarat traffic, Cessna Echo Sierra Alpha 2,500, climbing 4,000.
So if you could just let us know when you're through 3,000, that'd be great.
Play again, 2 at 1, sorry.
If you could just let us know when you're through 3,000, through my level, that'd be great. That's when I can track overhead.
Melbourne Centre IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor Airborne Ballarat POB1 standby for departure.
Bravo Sierra Victor Melbourne Centre, they reported IFR traffic squawk 3672.
Squawk 3672 Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor with departure.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor departed Ballarat, passing 3,200 on climb 7,000 for Moorabbin via Raven.
Bravo Sierra Victor identified, Derek and H1019er.
QNH 1019er, Bravo Sierra Victor. 11 miles to Raven at 7,000, and I'll be tracking over the overhead Bendigo, then back via RB Melbourne Moorabbin for the 35R nav at Moorabbin via Sierra Alpha with a Sector 1 entry.
Sharp 923 is leaving 5130.
Sharp 923.
So this is the RNP runway 35 right at Moorabbin. The ATIS is 1209. Tower on the west when I come in is 1230. Ground, even though it says 1199, is actually 134.25. Area frequency 1357. That in there. There might be something in between. And the Sector 1 entry at Moorabbin Sierra Alpha will be turn right over the fix to 234 for 1 minute, and then turn right again to 084 to intercept the inbound track, and the altitude at Sierra Alpha will be 2,600. So the elevation of Moorabbin is
409, request traffic
55 feet. So we have 4 miles to go to Raven. Then from Raven, it's 11 miles to Taleb, which is Bendigo. And city of Bendigo all around on my left-hand side. 4.8 miles to go. Miles to go. And right to 132 now. Sir Autopilot. Speedos. Okay, so we are being direct to Sierra Alpha. And I just had an A330 go across the front of me. We're maintaining 7,000, so we've been shuttled around since leaving Bendigo. We were given a clearance, cleared Moorabbin via RB, planned route 7,000. When we got to RB, we were vectored out to the east, Okay, I've been given a descent down to 5,000, which I'm at the moment, and cleared for the, to direct to Moorabbin Sierra Alpha.
23.35.
Control 778, Center 12335, Kilo Foxtrot, yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
There's Albert Park Lake and my old work down there somewhere, south end of St Kilda Road, opposite the end of Albert Park Lake. And there's where I'm going to, Moorabbin Airport, off to my left. There's somebody on downwind. Melbourne Centre, Bravo Sierra Victor maintaining 5,000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Canadian, there's no observed traffic for you to leave controlled airspace. Descend to 3,000 or 2,600 as preferred.
Clear to leave controlled airspace, descending to 2,600 is my preference, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, 2,600 it is. Bravo Sierra Victor, and just confirm this will be just the 6th entry, then the approach.
Hey, firm, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Thanks.
Turn left, 344 in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, turn. Sierra India. We're going from Sierra India to Sierra Foxtrot. So this is where we...
Bravo Sierra Victor, 2 unidentified VFR aircraft either side of the approach, both southbound. One's 2 miles off the coast of Carrum, southeastbound 1,600 unverified. The other is in the vicinity of Carrum Downs, 1,600 westbound unverified.
Looking for traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor.
VFR aircraft, Carrum, southeast and southwest, south and east westbound, 1,500 IFR traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor, Cessna 172 inbound on 35 RNP approach. Just crossing the coast north of Frankston, descending from 2,600. Bravo Sierra Victor, one of those VFR aircraft just left you 12 o'clock now, 2 miles, the other in your 2 o'clock, 2 miles, both 1,500 and 1,600.
Traffic not sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Safety alert, traffic south of Carrum, north of Frankston, 2 VFR aircraft, close proximity, 1 over water, southeastbound 1,600 unverified, 1 over land, westbound 1,400 unverified. And additional traffic is Bravo Sierra Victor, IFR, Cessna 172 inbound on the 35 RNP approach.
Thanks, Echo Alpha Victor, approaching Frankston, tracking to the east, 1,500, Echo Alpha Victor.
Echo Alpha Victor, thanks, you've just been overflown by the 172 and now the other VFR in your 7 o'clock.
Thanks, having a look, Echo Alpha Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, the second of the, you've passed the first of the VFR aircraft, the second seems to be turning from Moorabbin now in your 2 to 3 o'clock, half mile, 1,400 unverified.
Bravo Sierra Victor, I saw the other aircraft over water go underneath.
Leaving altitude.
Underneath, the other aircraft is still not sighted.
Be in your 1 o'clock low, half mile, 1,400 unverified.
Melbourne coastal traffic, helicopter Mike Alpha Yankee, currently at Station Pier, on descent to 700, tracking to St Kilda. Melbourne coastal traffic.
1790, I should be.
Melbourne Centre, helicopter R44, Mike Alpha Yankee, currently requesting status of Point Ormond parachute ops.
Mike Alpha Yankee, no parachutes, Point Ormond.
Mike Alpha Yankee.
Oscar Kilo, X-ray Kilo, control services terminated, contact me 135.7.
135.7, Oscar X-ray Kilo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, you're beam that traffic less than half a mile, 1,400 appears to be tracking for Moorabbin.
Bravo Sierra Victor, yes, he's almost directly underneath. I'm still on descent, but I'll stop the descent and contact Moorabbin for instructions after that.
Yeah, Bravo Sierra Victor, contact Moorabbin south for onwards, no additional traffic today.
Contact Moorabbin, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Albert Park 1,500, tracking west.
49er.
February 7649er, maybe suggest you just make one orbit.
We'll go, we'll make a right orbit now. February 7649er, maintaining 1000.
Thank you.
Moorabbin Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor, IFR Cessna 172, just past Carrum and spotted the Jabiru beneath me. What would you prefer me to do?
Bravo Sierra Victor, Moorabbin Tower, they're just going to make an orbit to follow you in. Maintain 1,500 visual for now. They're at 1,000 below.
Maintain 1,500, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cleared to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor. 100 feet. Knots.
Minimums.
Leaving altitude.
100 feet. Flap. 3 knots. The piano keys.